Marhaba, assalamu alaikum, kif halkum. In this quick video, we're going to be learning two very common Arabic expressions. These have to do with anytime someone embarks on a journey or an activity that involves a bit of risk, you would use these two phrases. For example, before flying or before going on a trip, in English, you would say, oh, have a safe flight, have a safe trip. We're going to learn the equivalent in Arabic. Similarly, when someone, before they go into surgery, or if they have a surgery scheduled, a lot of people say good luck with the surgery, or something equivalent, okay, in wherever region you are. In Arabic, we have an equivalent. And similarly, when returning, in English, we don't necessarily have greetings from when someone returns from a flight, but in Arabic, we do. So we're going to go over that. Yalla. Okay, so first off, we have the word or expression, bisalame. Bisalame, salame comes from salama, as-salama, which is basically wellness and safety. Okay. Now keep in mind, pronunciation-wise, I'm using Levant-based dialects, and I'm ending in an a. A lot of nouns and adjectives in the Levant or in countries in the Levant will end nouns and adjectives with an a. For example, even adjectives like ta'bana in MSA would become ta'bane. If you're brand new to Arabic, or if you're still unfamiliar with the different types of Arabic and what Arabic to learn, check out the description below. There's a free mini course kind of going over the different types of Arabic, what's the difference between MSA, dialect, what kind of Arabic you should learn. All those questions you can find in the mini course. Check it out below. Now back to bisalame. So this is something you would tell someone before they go on a flight or before they travel. So bisalame, kind of like have a safe trip or have a safe flight. The response, you can obviously say shukran, but if you want to sound more like a native speaker, you would say Allah isalmak. Again, Allah isalmak to a male, Allah isalmik to a female. Allah isal. So bisalame, Allah isalmak, Allah isalmak. You're having a conversation with one of your friends and he goes, Wallah ana مسافر الأسبوع الجاي. أنا مسافر الأسبوع الجاي. I'm traveling next week. Okay, bisalame. The response, bisalame. He'll respond, Allah isalmak. And if you're a girl, he would tell you, Allah isalmik. Okay, so that's our first expression. Our second expression also revolves around the same kind of line of thinking, and it's hamdulillah as-salam. Hamdulillah or hamdulillah, a lot of you might be familiar with already means thank God. Thank God. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. So alhamdulillah, again, just more of the how you would use it or how you would say it in spoken Arabic. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. This is more on the Palestinian, Jordanian accent. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah as-salami. Alhamdulillah as-salami. Notice ala is to or on in spoken Arabic. So we know ala is on in MSA, but we use ala a lot of times to mean to. Ana raih ala istinam, I'm going to. So in this context, it's used slightly differently, but it's thank God for. So it's not the first two we talked about. It's thank God kind of for well-being. And this you would tell someone, so you tell someone alhamdulillah as-salame after that person has returned from a flight safely, after they've had successful surgery. It's very common for us, again, same friend, wallah رجعت من أوروبا الأسبوع الماضي. I returned from Europe last week. Oh, alhamdulillah salamtak, or alhamdulillah as-salami. So notice, I said alhamdulillah as-salami, but the first one I said is alhamdulillah as-salamtak. This is even more personalized. So thank God for your well-being and your safety. Alhamdulillah as-salamtak. To a female, alhamdulillah as-salamtik. But if you want to keep it generic, alhamdulillah as-salami. So this sound here, as-salami, is basically ala plus il. And we're skipping the L sound in Is-salami because the S is what's known as a sun letter. Again, if you're not sure what sun and moon letters are, there's a video here somewhere kind of going over those. But basically what we do with sun letters, we skip the L sound. I don't say il-salami, I say is-salami, is-salami, okay? So, alhamdulillah as-salami. The nice thing with this one is that it's the exact same response as bis-salami. So you could say, Allah isalmak, alhamdulillah as-salami, Allah isalmak habibi, shukran. Allah isalmak to a female, Allah isalmik, Allah isalmik. Okay? So there you have it, two very common Arabic expressions. Next time one of your friends or family members is traveling, you want to impress them with the Arabic you've been learning, drop a bisalami or hamdulillah as-salami in there and kind of Let me know what their reactions are. Okay. احكوا لي إذا في أي أسئلة. Let me know if there are any questions. بشوفكم الفيديو الجاي. See you in the next video.